In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search VRBO by property number, 5 minutes. If you've ever been sent a specific listing and want to jump straight to it, the fastest way is to use its unique property number. Every VRBO listing has one, and it acts like a shortcut directly to the page. Before you start, make sure you have that number handy. You might get it from the owner or property manager, see it in a message or a confirmation, or spot it inside a listing link. If you're looking at a link, the property number is typically the string of digits associated with the listing. Just make sure you're copying only the numbers with no extra characters. Now open your preferred web browser and head to vrbo.com. This works on desktop or mobile, and you don't need to be signed in to search by number. Once the homepage loads, click into the address bar at the top, right after the main website address and the slash, so that's vrbo.com, followed by a / paste or type the property number. It should look like vrbo.com, then the digits with no spaces. Press enter or go, and the browser will take you straight to that property's listing page. If the page doesn't load or you get a not found message, double check a few things. Confirm you're on vrbo.com, remove any extra text or symbols, and make sure you have the full number. Sometimes copying from a message can include hidden spaces, so retype it if needed. When it works, you'll land directly on the listing where you can read details, see photos, check availability, and send a booking request. If you're a host, you can quickly find your property ID in your dashboard. Sign in, go to your property list, and open the property details for the place you're trying to share. The ID is visible there and matches the number you can use after the slash in the URL. Once you have it, you can share that number with guests so they can get to your listing instantly using the same method. A few quick tips to make this easier. Bookmark the listing once it opens so you can get back to it quickly. If you regularly share your property as a host, keep the direct URL handy in your templates or notes. And if you're on mobile, you can paste the number right into the address bar of your mobile browser in the exact same way. That's it. With the property number and a quick edit to the address bar, you can bypass search entirely and go straight to the listing you need.